We're going to remove the taillight. There's 2 screws, one here and one down here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove those screws. Now just grab the light and just slide it back. It is clipped into there and there. And just lie it down right there. Take a 15mm wrench and put it on the nut side. And then use a T40 socket and loosen this up. Once you get it started, you should be able to take the nut off. Slide that off. Take that off. Take the new striker bolt. And you can kind of see where the old bolt was. So position it right there, put the nut back on, and snug this up tight. So before I put the taillight back in, I'm just gonna let it hang, and I'm just gonna test it, make sure everything's lined up, and adjust accordingly. Take the taillight and slide those pins back in position. Put those back in and tighten them down.